So bought this product in July 2023 and it's February 2024 and it's spoiled. It wouldn't turn on. What the hell? What the heck? This look new and it's messed up. What a stupid product to buy. Looks brand new. How can this be spoiled? Tried on all plugs. It's not working. What a waste of money. What a waste of money.
So here, it's great for the location, but there's only cold, high, low, and off. The low is really low. Really doesn't work. What's even the point? High, still not high enough. Eventually it dried my hair. It just feels cheap. It's very light. It feels like something super cheap. And then the cord doesn't look durable enough and it's short. And this doesn't even have any kind of like filter in the back really. It's like over the plastic, but it also started smelling immediately a little bit. And I'm like, okay, well, I don't get how it's a 2000 ceramic. It doesn't feel heavy like ceramic at all. And how is it a 2000 and the 1800 ones are more powerful? Don't get it.